everyone! I know we've been in quarantine for almost a month now, but it's also Easter time, and for this occasion, I have something very yummy to share with you. So you may recall that in the first few weeks of the quarantine, a lot of our friends have been making dalgona coffee. I also tried making it myself, but I ended up stirring it for 30 minutes to achieve the desired consistency. So I think in the end, the effort wasn't worth it because taste-wise, it really just tasted like instant coffee and it was nothing special. As a better alternative to dalgona coffee, I'll show you another type of whisked coffee that I really like. Vietnamese egg coffee. I had my first taste of egg coffee at a cooking class in Hanoi back in April 2019 and I really loved it. In the local language, they call it Café Chong. The best way to describe it, I think, would be tiramisu in a cup. There's a really interesting reason why eggs are used here. Story time! During the 1940s and the French War, there was a dairy shortage in Vietnam. A bartender named Nguyen Van Giang, who worked at the Sofitel in Hanoi, decided to use eggs instead of milk in one of his coffee recipes. This drink became a hit, and Giang used his success to open a cafe in Hanoi which still serves the same recipe today. So some of you may find the idea of using raw eggs in your coffee a little icky, and I understand completely. If you really want to be sure, just make sure to use the freshest eggs possible. For your safety, I don't recommend having this if you've never had a raw egg before. Of course, Vietnamese coffee is perfect for this, but since I don't have any in stock, I'll just use what I have in the pantry. The ingredients are simple and most likely you already have them at home. For this, you'll need, of course, eggs, condensed milk, honey, and coffee, which I'll brew later when I'm done mixing. First, crack the eggs and separate the yolk from the whites. This is my first time to use an egg separator, so I'm not sure if it's gonna work out. And it didn't, so let me just try to fix this. Whew. Okay, that's better. Whisk the yolk in a deep bowl until it becomes thick and sticky. Add the condensed milk little by little so that it's easier to whisk. I don't have an electric mixer, so I'll just use arm power. And then add in the honey. Continue beating the mixture until it becomes thick and creamy. Finally, add in the hot water. Take note that you don't have to use a Vietnamese coffee filter like I did here. If you have a French press, you can use that to steep about 2 tablespoons of coffee in 80 to 100 ml of water. You can also use 1 espresso shot. It's done! Now take your hot coffee and then pour the egg mixture on top. It's ready to drink! Okay, let's try it. It's really, really good. It tastes like leche flan. I use 2 tablespoons of coffee, so it's really strong and it really complements the creaminess of the egg and the condensed milk. But I'll probably have palpitations later, but it's really, really good. I need the soda. I am by no means a professional chef, so if you have any feedback, please leave a comment. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's all for now. Thanks for watching!